right in the middle of the riot. So cool. I'm taking so many video. Oh my God, they're gonna use the tear gas though. Those people are troublemaker. My God. I can't because the runover footage sucks. There's nothing in there though. They closed the subway. I can't go to the subway now. I hope I can go home tonight. My God. Oh boy, you will love my footage, gentlemen.
Okay, I'll call you back.
There's a riot. They say the police say that they're going to have use the tear gas. So this is why we cannot go anywhere. Okay. No more. I've run out of my battery though. Sucks. Bye.
Subway closed. Subway closed. Don't worry, you can't get to the subway.